Feeling the pinch? Textbooks thicker than your bank account? Well, stress less, because today we're cracking the code to earning some serious cash, student style. Forget those get-rich-quick schemes and clickbait scams. This is real talk, real hustle, and real income for the time-crunched crew. 5 ways to make money as a student. Number 1. Skills for bills. You got skills? Turn them into cash. Writing, editing, coding, design, even social media wizardry. These are gold mines on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Set your own hours, work from anywhere, and build your portfolio while building your bank account. Pro tip: start with smaller gigs, build your reputation, and watch your rates climb. Number 2. Knowledge is power. Tutoring time. Remember ACID, that calculus exam? Time to share the wisdom. Tutoring fellow students online or in person is a flexible, in-demand gig. You'll be a study savior, a homework hero, and your wallet will thank you. Pro tip: niche down. Offer subject-specific tutoring or cater to specific learning styles. Number 3. Content king or queen. Side hustle with creativity. Got a knack for storytelling? Blogging, vlogging, or even podcasting can be your ticket to side hustle stardom. Share your passions, build a community, and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or even your own merch. Pro tip: consistency is key. Create high-quality content, engage with your audience, and watch your channel grow. Number 4. Clicks and cash, online side hustles. The internet is your oyster. From microtasks on Clickworker to selling crafts on Etsy, there's a side hustle for everyone. Take surveys, test websites, or even become a virtual assistant. Just remember, patience and persistence are key. Pro tip: diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Try different platforms and niches to see what clicks for you. Number 5. Think outside the textbook. Get creative. Think beyond the traditional. Offer pet sitting services, organize campus events, or even rent out your unused stuff on platforms like Neighbor. The possibilities are endless. Just use your skills, resources, and a dash of ingenuity. Pro tip: network. Tell your friends, family, and fellow students about your side hustles. Word-of-mouth marketing is powerful. Alrighty then, scholars. That's your crash course in student hustling. Remember, it's not about ramen, it's about ramen-free freedom. Go forth, unleash your skills, and build that financial fortress. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's turn this student hustle into a movement. Until next time, keep it real, keep it creative, and keep it cash flowing. Thanks for watching.